All right, hey everyone. This week in school, we've been focusing on Hispanic Heritage Month, which started on Tuesday. And we've been focusing on recreating some flags from countries found in Latin America. Latin America is Central and South America, so that's your countries like Mexico, Bolivia, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Honduras, a bunch of countries. You probably have friends or family that are from those areas. So we've been recreating flags here in class, like this Puerto Rican one, Peru's flag, Venezuela, Nicaragua, Suriname, Dominican Republic, and so on. And so our assignment this week is to create our own flag. And we're going to use some elements of art, such as line, shape, and color, to create a flag that has balance and unity. And we'll discuss that some more as the lesson continues. All right, so I mentioned line, color, and shape. Those are the things that you're going to see on a flag. Lines can be straight, they can be curvy, they can be dashed or dotted. There's a lot of options when it comes to a line. You guys know what colors are from our lesson last week. Colors range from all over the spectrum. Shapes are another thing you often see on flags. One common shape is the star. Another one you might see is a palm tree. Or a shield. A lot of different shapes when it comes to a flag. Now we're going to use these shapes to create what's known as unity. Unity is when you look at something and you see that all the pieces work together, sort of like a puzzle. You want everything that you add to your flag to be cohesive, to work with one another. And that will help you create balance. Balance is another principle of design like unity that shows the weight of something. So you could have a flag with a lot of things on the left, a lot of things on the right, or it could be balanced with things in the middle, things at the top and bottom. It's completely up to you. Okay, so for today's lesson, you're gonna need a sheet of paper and something to write with. I'm gonna use this marker. And then you'll need some colors of your choice. Now, we are creating a flag, but we wanna create our own flag. So I want you to come up with a design that you personally would want for a flag. All right, so we're not copying a real flag. We're not drawing the American flag. We're drawing our own brand new flag. So come up with a design and draw it on your paper. Okay, so this is the design I just came up with for my flag. Again, you can create whatever design that you want, but remember we are using our lines, our shapes, and now I'm gonna add my colors to create this flag. Again, we are trying to create unity and balance. So you can see right now I have a lot of things on the left, so I would have what's called an asymmetrical balance. That means the weight is on one side. But as you can tell, the unity works to where everything looks like it's where it should be. It looks like a flag. And now let's add the colors and get a final product. All right, so I added my colors, went with yellow, blue, and green. If you remember from last week, yellow and blue make green, so trying to incorporate our previous lesson. As you can see, it all works together really well. This was my personal design. I'm looking forward to seeing your personal design. Make sure you show your lines, your shapes, and your colors. Remember, you can use any shape that you want. It doesn't have to be stars. It can be anything that you come up with. all kinds of shapes out there, from circles to squares to palm trees to leaves. Anything that you think would look good on your personal flag. There will be an upload space when you click on this week's assignment, where you also found this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Canvas or ask me in person via Zoom on Monday at 11. All right, good luck.